Alright guys, so today we're going to be starting work on the building. This is a new project. We're going to be using this for like smaller projects like lawnmowers, and it's going to be kind of a storage area too. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so time for an update. First things first, we got this reinforced. So we got that top beam level. The roof is actually still separated. You kind of can't tell the shadows on this thing in here are actually kind of, there we go. It's still separated, but the roof is level and right. So we're gonna please, I think my dad said something, put another 2x4 there to brace it or something. I don't really know. Anyway. We kind of beat this board in right here. Actually, we beat the crap out of this one, but anyway, that's what we use to level them. We got that in. That's for our door frame. Our door frame's ready to go in now. We got our back completely closed up over there, and then we have half of the front closed up. We also have done a double top plate up there for extra structure. That goes all the way across. And then we've closed up most of this. But what took a while was getting all that trash out of there and getting it all bagged up. As you can see, we have a good bit to haul off. But anyway, we've cleaned out a lot of these. I think we've cleaned out all of these cabinets. I think those cabinets over there still need to do some cleaning too. But all this is getting relocated. We've gotten most of our toys, most of my old toys that we're keeping. All right there. That was literally everything from that corner we were able to fit into 4 tubs from what I was keeping. So anyway, so yeah, it's coming together. This is actually a futon frame, so that'll probably, there's no reason to throw that away. The mattress got all screwed up, so I had to take that to the top of the hill. But regardless, it's starting to come together. We still haven't messed with that side over there yet. We've really just been kind of focusing on getting this area here done, getting it closed up so that we can keep air and, well, not air, but animals and other stuff out. You know, could try to contain it from the elements. But yeah, so that's the update for you. We're going to keep on with this thing. Keep it in hard. We've also been making several trips to the store to buy screws. Just kidding. To let you guys know, we're buying plenty of screws because we do have more woodworking projects coming up. So we've just been buying screws in bulk. save money. So yeah, guys. So, quick update. I've got a truck full of trash up at the top of the hill. But they still have a lot of trash to go, as you can clearly see. There's all of this. All this has got to be thrown away. But I wanted to show you an update progress to the inside. As you can see, we got doors hung. That one's only temporary, as you can see. We just kind of have it rigged to it. It's not at all lined up. It's just it's a wood door, so we just kind of screwed it off so we'd have something to close it up with. But this is the door. This is one of the doors we'll be using. It's a nice heavy steel industrial door. It'll be nice for this little shop. Regardless, something just flew up there. Anyway, we got us a little light hung so we can see in here a little bit better. Actually, you can actually see in here now. I can record videos in here. But that's still got to be fixed up there. As you saw in the video, we put this up. This was so that the door frame would fit flush. That little bit of plywood. We're probably not going to be finishing this out in here. We're just going to be probably leaving it naked. Is she okay up there? What are you doing up there, Cookie? You're being a dummy. Alright, anyway, so we got us a couple shelves put up. We got this shelf put up right here. We've been using it to store some of the stuff that we are going to be keeping out of here. I know there's a bunch of stuff outside. All that came out of here. We've got kind of still a mess right now. We've still got some cleaning to do. These right here, these cabinets will be moving. These will be moving to another location. I don't know for sure, so don't quote me on this, but I think we'll be shoving this back and then having one going that way. And then he also mentioned putting a window right here. There's one up there. We have a shop to tear down right there. That thing leaks really bad. That thing leaks really bad right there, so we're going to be tearing it down and using that window out the side you just saw right there for this. Is what he said anyway. I don't know if that'll fall through or what. We'll be working in here before then for sure. That thing we got to do something with still. a lot of the rest of it, I don't know what she's doing up there. I really don't. The rest of it's really just cleaning up and just getting things organized. The floor's still a little dirty, but at least you can see the floor now. We have a problem right here. It's kind of weak. It dips down. We got to jack it up and put some supports under there. Nothing too big. This we still have to fix. This rotten base beam. Cut out the rotten parts and put in some new wood, and then we'll fire it out so that the door closes with some nice seals. And then after that, I mean, we're pretty much done, guys. We got all that plywood up there. We are going to be siliconing this whole thing or wrapping it in plastic. He hasn't decided which one we're doing yet. This is obviously his project. I'm going to be using it, but it's mainly his project. Oh God, I'm stepping on rotten wood. So we might be wrapping this whole thing in plastic. And then, but I don't know. I said silicone because I know we've got like a bunch of it that we've just gotten off jobs and stuff that we had for free. We could just use that. But anyways, we still have a little bit of wood cutting to do still, because we do need to put some small pieces in here all the way across to where the door is, and then there was more on the other side down there. Still need to do that. But I think we have to do on the outside, we have to do some kind of I don't know what he called it, soffit, so that stuff can't get in through these cracks, because that's just hollow up there in those. Could fill them up with spray foam, but then he said that the building can't breathe, and if it can't breathe, mold will build up. So we need to definitely take care of that. I just saw a dirt dauber nest. Okay. Anyways, guys, so yeah, that is the update. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. There will be more coming in the future. We are still going to go get a motor and a transmission, possibly a transmission. I don't know. The guy said he might sell it before I get there, but anyways, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Also, guys, quick update. I went to start the Explorer this morning and it didn't crank. So, gotta work on that. Yeah, guys, so I have a truck full of bags, and I just kind of wanted to show you just what's in the back of my truck compared to what you just saw down there. I mean, that pretty good bit that I gotta haul off, and there's still more down there. So yeah, definitely have a lot to go. Definitely got a lot to haul off. So yeah, guys.